Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to add depth and dimension into a model's face. They do this when they're using makeup in photo shoots, really sort of to define the cheekbones of the faces of models. But what we're able to do is you're also able to do this in Photoshop just by following a couple steps that I show you today. If you implement them into your designs, I guarantee you'll be able to create something really modern and fresh and professional. So first, what I'm going to do is just quickly zoom in. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of Command Plus for Mac users or Control Plus for Windows users. And then the next tool I'm going to use is our curvature tool. And I'm going to make a sort of a teardrop shape on her cheekbone here. So I'm just going to go click here, click like that there. I'm going to double click here to make that a sharp point. And there we go. Let's double click that point there as well to make that sharp. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that path I've created and just make that into a selection. And we're going to press OK. Then I'm going to come to my adjustment layers here and we're going to add a curves adjustment layer. Now, all you need to do is make a point on one of these lines here and just bring it up just to brighten it up like so. And then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now, I like a radius of about 20. You can manipulate that down to a lower point there. But for this particular image, 20 pixels on my radius there will be more than sufficient enough. Now, if I press OK, and then what I'm going to do is do the same effect, but underneath her cheekbone. So I'm going to come here. Let's just make sure we're on that particular layer. Fantastic. And I'm just going to come here and go click, click, double click to make that sharp there. And double click to make that sharp there. So same again, what I'm going to do is right click on that selection, right click on that path and make it into a selection. Let's press OK. And I'm going to add a curves adjustment layer again, but this time I want to make a point on the line and bring it down to darken it. And then yet again, I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, have a radius of about 20 and press OK. And then as you can see, guys, if I turn off those two top layers there, the difference is quite big. Just a little shortcut there for you guys, a little trick just to really improve your images of your models and make them look more professional and defined. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.